today we're going to show you how to make these adorable origami dresses that you can then decorate in whatever way you wish. Now this is probably one of the easiest origami dresses out there. It does have quite a few steps, and if you're a beginner to origami, you might want to pause the video along the way, rewind and take another look, or maybe ask somebody else with a bit more experience to help you. But I do think the folds are quite easy. They're a good next project for people looking to learn the next skills, and I think the little dresses are so cute. So come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. So what you'll need is a square piece of paper. This is 15 by 15. It really doesn't matter, it's just a question of preference. This is origami paper, so it's white and coloured on the other side, but you can use any paper you like. To begin with, you need to create some basic folds. So we're bringing one side over and lining it up with the other side. Open it and repeat. Open it. Now we're going to bring the sides in. Again, we're just creating some basic lines up to the middle. And again. The neater you work, the easier. Open up, flip it round. Now you've got a line here in the middle and a line here. You want to bring this line to meet and create a new fold. Again, you're bringing this fold and meeting it in the middle. You might have to push with your fingers to help get that in place. Okay, now we're going to fold it in half and about 1 centimetre fold the bottom up. Can you see? This is going to be your bodice, this is going to be your skirt. So make all your creases neat again. Now you give this a little tug, pull it out so that you come all the way out, and from the corner at the bottom, just crease it up. Once you've got that crease in place, you can crease up here. Again, on the other side, pull it out, so keeping that corner in place, pull it out till you get to the edge and give it a little crease. And then repeat at the top. That's going to be your skirt. It looks a bit big at the moment, but we'll add some folds in a minute. Flip it round. Take this little corner and bring it in. Make a nice neat crease, especially here at the bottom. It's going to help. And crease this in. Again, make sure that corner is nicely creased. You're going to need it in a minute. Open. Now this is probably the trickiest bit of the whole thing. Take one of the two flaps and fold down to that corner that we just created. And if you keep pushing, it'll fold down like so. Okay, so that is probably the hardest part. So I can show you that again. When you've created these two corners, so you've folded it, make a nice neat corner, open it, pull, and down. Okay, we're almost there. You now take this folder in. This is going to create your little sort of bodice top. And fold this one. Now we're going to shape the arms. See that straight line here? We're going to fold that over, start at the top. And as that comes down, this is flapping over, isn't it? So we're going to bring this and we're going to create a little point at the bottom. Repeat on the other side. So again, you've got the straight line here, well, almost straight. Bring it over. And then as this folds over, maybe push this in with your finger, create a diagonal. If you need to rewind and watch that in slow motion, do. Now comes the very last bit. This is going to be the sleeve. I'm going to fold this down. It's not an exact science how you fold it, but do about there. And repeat on this side. Turn it round. And you have your basic origami dress finished. Isn't that lovely? Now, we'll have a look at these at the very end in slow motion, but you can add a little bow. You can add a little button and you can add things like a little bit of lace at the bottom. So once you have your basic dress, you can decorate it whatever way you want. And I think these make really cute little decorations. Hang them up. We're going to, put them on little clothes pegs, put them on a greeting card, or what we'll probably be doing with my daughter is we're going to make some little wooden spoon puppets to use these for, and I think they'll be really, really cute. And that was it, how to make an origami dress. Anyway, as per usual, if you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, but above all, do come back, keep watching, keep making, because we'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.